I am going to use reasonable force to remove anyone off this property, and I'm allowed to do that under common law, and you can go check all you want. So if you've got a dispute, then you take it up with whoever, but you're not coming in this property because I'm here to protect it. Show me a warrant signed by a judge, wet signature, and I'll open the door. There's a vulnerable child with asthma, so off you pop, go away. There's no meters coming in here, mate, today, I'll tell you that for free. And I'm allowed to use reasonable force to remove every single one of you off this property, and I will use reasonable force too, under common law.
What's going on, folks, and welcome back to the San Joaquin News Network. Today's your guys' host, Nate Gates 182, and I'm highlighting another video for you today, teaching you guys on how to stand up for your rights. This particular video is brought to you, folks, by the way of this channel here, going by the name of Mr. Exposed. I came across this particular video on his channel where he is defending his private property from a couple of power-tripping road pirates. This video here takes place out of the UK, and this man has the spirit of every Papa Bear wanting to protect his home from a couple of predators. Remember, folks, as a taxpayer, it is not only your right, but your duty to stand up and protect yourself when your government tries to overstep their boundaries. It is not their job to protect you. I want you guys to go ahead and check this out and let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Don't forget that the original video and channel link will be down below in the description as well as the comments, so I want you guys to go over there and let him know what an amazing job he did. I'll go ahead and see you all on at the end of the video.
The Gas and Electrics Act 1954, I've just read the warrant, mate, and it says they can do it with consent or they can do it forcefully, mate, so we'd much rather it be done with consent, if I'm honest.
Well, the problem you've got is you've got a vulnerable household here, and you've got a child with severe asthma, so you can't fit prepayment meters with a child with severe asthma.
Right, I know nothing about that, mate. It's not my aspect.
That's right.
It's not my aspect of the job.
Neither is this, assisting bailiffs. You're here to prevent a breach of the peace, so I don't know why you're talking to me about bailiff stuff. Shouldn't he be talking to me about this? Aren't you not here to prevent a breach of the peace?
I'm just here.
Do you work for them?
Make sure everything goes down.
Yeah, do you work for them? I know what you're here for. I know your job title, bro.
I'm not here to intervene in the rest.
Exactly. So you should be telling me his job. If he's got something to say, then let him say it. Sorry? I don't need you to explain to me. You're here to prevent a breach of the peace. Let him explain and show me a warrant.
Are you ready to see the warrant?
Have you got a warrant, have you? Yeah. Has it got a wet signature? Off you pop then. Go away. You're not coming in. Listen, boys. This is how it's going to go. Under common law jurisdiction, yeah? I'm allowed to protect this property, yeah? So whatever happens now, I am going to use reasonable force to remove anyone off this property. And I'm allowed to do that under common law, and you can go check all you want. So if you've got a dispute, then you take it up with whoever, but you're not coming in this property because I'm here to protect it. Show me a warrant signed by a judge, wet signature, and I'll open the door. There's a vulnerable child with asthma, so off you pop, go away. There's no meters coming in here, mate, today, I'll tell you that for free. And I'm allowed to use reasonable force to remove every single one of you off this property, and I will use reasonable force too, under common law. It's not a breach of the peace. I'm protecting this property, which I'm allowed to do under common law, mate. Go check your laws, bro. You're talking about legislation.
I believe this is how everyone who believes in their rights and freedoms should stand up for themselves and their property. What you're seeing here, folks, is exactly the reason why you always record your interactions with the police and never answer any questions. Not just with the police, but with all public officials. And not just your own interactions, but others as well, you can see from a public view. Just imagine what they do when there aren't any cameras around. That's what it means for a community to look out for and protect each other. I could see no reason in particular why an officer would mind being recorded while in the course of their duties that we pay them to perform. Police throughout the world are not supposed to trample over or infringe upon your human rights. This is exactly why it's very important to learn and know your rights and the laws of your certain state.
Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do. Go read your laws, bro. Yeah. Yeah, I will. You're not coming in, boys, I'll tell you for free. I'll use reasonable force to protect this property from any of you. All of you. Under common law jurisdiction, boys. I don't need to get one. You're coming in my property. You need to get one, mate. I don't need one. What do I need one for? If you're coming in here, you go get it. You go get it. I don't need to get it. Mate, listen, I'm allowed to, under common law, protect this property if you don't have the right stuff. So you do whatever you think's right. But I will protect it. I'm telling you now. Yeah? There's a vulnerable child attached to this house. If I show you a tablet with a bit of paperwork on, you're going to let me in your house? No. Fools. Absolute fools, mate. We're coming in. I bet you know. Yeah, I'll show you. Let's go print up a digital warrant, bro, and we'll go in their house. Yeah? No, exactly. They think it works like that because they've been doing it for a while on vulnerable people. Now they've come up against someone that knows about the law.
If we was to come back with
A paper warrant signed by a judge, I'll open the door. But you won't get one. It's got to have a wet signature by the judge as well, otherwise it's not valid. And I've got some here. Yo, you need to look at the law. If there's a kid with severe asthma in here, you can't put a prepayment meter in. It's under the law, mate. Well, I say law, it's legislation.
right.
So, you need to get your facts right before you start kicking doors and put it that way.
No one's kicking doors.
No, I know that's not going to happen, mate. Like I say, bros, I'm going to protect it anyway.
We've been alright.
Oh, you have, dudes. I'm not being funny with you, honestly. I'm just using my rights to protect my sister and myself and my little niece. She's vulnerable, man. This is a vulnerable household, bro. And vulnerable households are protected under law, under the Mental Health Act, for starters.
If you guys enjoyed this one, I want you to go ahead and let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe, as well as don't forget to hit the bell notifications icon for future videos. I believe this man did an amazing job as far as standing up for his rights. This is exactly what I believe you should do when the government tries to overstep their boundaries on the people. Once again, thank you all for tuning in. As always, the original video and channel link will be down below in the description. Don't forget to let them know San Joaquin News Network sent you. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
So get back.